Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review, today analyzing Dashly, a tool that claims to create chatbots, targeted pop-ups, and automated emails to build up your leads pipeline. They have just arrived on AppSumo, and I think this week Dashly is the best deal. They are already established. The tool has a whole suite to help your business to grow, and you should definitely try it and see if it fits on your use case. I use Dashly, I already have the tool, and it's impressive how it expands the features and how you can manage different aspects of your business with that tool. So you're gonna get in the license tier 1 and 2 the conversation plan updates, and tier 3 and beyond the marketing plan. So Dashly will offer you an online chat widget, live website visitors monitor, you can get leads, you can create forms, you can use a chatbot, you can create pop-ups. It's a whole suite for your business. If you're gonna buy the tool, aim to buy at least tier 3 to get all the features. If you buy only the tier 2, you can't remove branding, so you need to buy at least tier 3 to remove branding, automated conversation assignment, manual build campaigns, A/B testing, control groups, funnels. And if you buy tier 4, you get also the visual email builder and team performance reports. Also, you get more website visitors per month, seat, conversation channels, and emails per month. How many sites can you connect with Dashly? Dashly recommends you to only connect one website per account because all your leads will be in the same environment, but you can use the same code in unlimited websites, but you will use the same environment, the same dashboard for all the websites. Let's take a look at the tool. So here is Dashly, and here on payment, you can see your unique visitors and the number of emails you have sent. So you can control your limits. On the left, it's where the magic happens. So it's where you're gonna see all the features. Let's see the settings options first. So here's where you're gonna add your website address, your email forwarding, your language. The tool right now has a dashboard in English and Spanish. You can control your basic chat settings, so you can change the color of your settings, the default name of your chat, change the message. The user can also contact you on Instagram, Telegram, etc. You can connect those. Facebook Messenger, Viper, you can connect those on the chatbots. You can change the chatbot icon as well, change the animation and standard and custom, where you can upload your own icon. You can see how it's cool. It's animated, very professional. You can change your working hours for the chatbot, so the tool will inform to your customers that you are available or not. Change greetings, so everything can be customized on your chat. You can also make available sound notifications for chat message and for triggered and manual message. How are you gonna install it? You can just copy the codes and paste it on your head. They also have integrations here and tutorials to install it on WordPress, PrestaShop, and Spotify. You can also use Google Tag Managers. You can also customize your email layout and add senders here. For integrations, you can see here the communication integrations. Email, you can use your own domain to send your emails. Facebook Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, Telegram, Zoom, Calendly, Zendesk, Slack, Viper. All of those tools can be used with Dashly. CMS, they have integration with PrestaShop and WordPress WooCommerce. CRM, email notifications about your leads. So you're going to receive an email notification every time you get a new leads. They have integrations with Google Analytics, Mixpanel, Facebook Leads. And you can do it yourself integration. For instance, you can use Public Connect or Zapier because they have webhooks, and also they give you their API. So let's say you add here, you can see, for instance, how the chatbot works here on the right. You can see that they use their own chatbot on their own site. So they are confident with the tool. You can see that it works pretty well. Here, if you buy tier 1 or tier 2, you're going to see that powered by Dashly on your chat. You can see that they connected WhatsApp. Look how it works. Sounds really professional. Instagram also. Okay, so here's the chat, and the leads that you're gonna get, you're gonna show up here. You can also send message to your subscribers. So for instance, here's a pop-up that I have created. It works like that. So every time someone goes on my website, this pop-up will show up, they can enter their email, and I will receive that lead. It's called triggered message. You can send message using pop-ups, and you can see the templates that they have here. Template, big block pop-up for webinar, join our newsletter, we will call you in 3 minutes, get consultation personal discount. You can see that they have a whole suite of triggered message. Also, qualifications pop-up where your customers can decide a step before adding their email. Here's the inbox. When you receive any message, you will see all of them here. You can divide by open, held, closed conversation, all conversation. And also, you don't need to have Dashly open to reply to message because they have an Apple app and an iOS app and an Android app. So you can use the app to reply to your customers. You'll see all the conversations here. Here's the chatbot feature. You can see that instead of using a human chat, you can use a chatbot. So here's the chatbot builder. The tool offers different kind of templates, and the builder is like any other chatbot builder. It's not difficult to customize. Just change the template to your language. You can see the different chatbot templates that they have here. You can start from scratch, offering free lessons or consultation, offering help on a pricing page, registration for a webinar, converting paid traffic, choosing a course or class, etc. Also, the tool has a knowledge database that you can also connect to your custom domain. Just click here to create a category, and then start your knowledge base. So as you can see, it's a whole suite. You have a knowledge base, human chat, chatbots that you can add on your chat. You can use your iOS or Android to reply to message, and they have the triggered message that they are the pop-ups, and also you can send emails using Dashly. Dashly also has funnels, so you can create different funnels. So when someone clicks on the link in the message, when the email is defined, when the message is read, so you can, start a new funnel, send different kind of emails, and creating a funnel segmentation. Well, as you can see here, you're gonna get an email tool, a pop-up tool, a chatbot tool, a knowledge-based tool, and a human chatbot tool. It's a really good tool. It's established. I'm definitely keeping it, and I'm gonna use on my online course business. I hope you like that review. If you like it, I have added the best link on the descriptions where you're gonna get Dashly with the best price ever, ever, ever. Take a look at it. Thank you so much. Bye bye.